Oh, oh man, don't you always hate that patient that just complains about their hair getting caught in their temples? It's those ladies with the stringy hair or the wavy hair, I don't really know. But when they put it on and take it off, they always say, oh, my hair gets caught in it, it hurts. And then they come back to your office, they want a refund. I figured out a way to help prevent this. Because sometimes you don't really know what frame is going to cause that. It just happens. You know, there's something in the manufacturing of the frame that's just not works well with those patients. So we're going to pretend this frame here gets caught in a lady's hair right where the temple tip connects to the main part of the temple, right at the crack. And I have the secret tool right here. It's called Bondic. And this is going to put a little sealant over that part that gets caught in a lady's hair. So you can actually purchase this right on Amazon. It's probably 20-30 bucks. This thing has lasted me many years. I've never bought another one. Basically what I do is I got a little wand here and I got a little light. Ta-da! Alright, so what I do, this canister has glue in it. I'm just going to put a dabby-doo right there. A dabby-doo right there. Alright, you might be able to see it. Very little amount. And this is a UV cured glue. Just like this. Just like this. And in about 15 seconds, this glue will harden and become smooth, filling that little crack between the temple tip and the main part of the temple. And there you go. It will not get caught in a lady's hair. And you'll be a great optician because you fixed the problem. Because I know how it goes. People love the frame, but they don't want the hair pulling. So, equal compromise there.